Alright, so those things are volcanoes.
Why are these rocks so hot?
Because once it blew up, and that's what made these things right here hot.
It blew up like an explosion?
Yeah, kind of like that. Except inside that thing, there's burning stuff.
What's the temperature like in there?
Like 16 degrees something. Alright, well,
What else do you know about this thing? It's very new to me. I don't understand it.
there's not fire inside, there's heat inside.
It's like a little heat?
No, there's a bunch of heat.
Oh my.
And besides, are you a meat eater again?
No, I'm an herbivore.
Well, I'm a grass eater.
That's an herbivore too.
Oh, so me and you both eat those things right there?
I'll eat some of these, but not those cactus. They're prickly.
Well, I think I eat cactus. No, I don't. I eat rocks.
Rocks. Those have to be hard to chew.
Chomp, chomp.
Ooh, 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 ooh. Say, do you think we could go inside that thing?
No.
What is this even called?
It's called volcano.
Oh. And what's the stuff that comes out called?
Lava.
Ah.
It's super burny.
Super burny.
Besides, nom 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 nom.
Nom, nom.
What does this do again? Oh yeah, it's sand. It's sand.
Is it still hot from the lava?
Yeah. It's like oil sauce. Oil sauce.
I don't like oil sauce.
I also eat these things here.
What is this giant monster?
Look at my volcano rock I found.
That's cool.
Feel this lava. Oh, it's sand.
Ow! It's hot.
Yeah.